Welcome to Alone Together Baking, where we bake together alone. I'm Sky, and these are my colorful large silicone muffin cups, because today we're making large blueberry muffins. I may have mentioned this before, but breakfast is my favorite meal of the day, and it happens that blueberries are my favorite fruit. So that makes today my favorite day. Let's get to this. We have 1.5 cups all-purpose flour, 3/4 cups white sugar, half a teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/3 cup vegetable oil with 1 egg, and enough milk to make 1 cup of wet ingredients. And we have 1 cup blueberries, fresh or frozen, and some sugar to top. So we're going to whisk the dry ingredients together and then whisk the wet ingredients in a separate bowl. We're going to mix the wet ingredients into the flour mixture and then fold in the blueberries. We're going to fill the greased muffin cups and then top with sugar so it gets a nice crunchy top. Now we're going to bake for about 45 minutes in 350 degrees. Cool the muffins for 10 minutes before removing them from the cups and serving. These utterly scrumptious, large blueberry muffins are sure to impress friends or family. Well, it was a treat baking with you today. For a written recipe, go to alonetogetherbaking.com, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram too. I'm Sky, and let's bake together again soon.